All right, guys, let's do a teachlet on using the area model for multiplication. So here I have a multi-digit multiplication problem, 241 times 72, and I'm going to use the area model, not the standard algorithm. So the area model will give us some partial products, just like our standard algorithm, but it gives us it in pieces. We are multiplying just the place values. So I'm going to do 240 and 1 across the top. And my 200 column is bigger than my 40, which is bigger than my 1, because I want to visually show that I know hundreds are bigger than tens that are bigger than ones. 72, same thing here. I'm going to show that my ones are smaller than my tens. So now I'm going to multiply. The first thing I'm going to do is say 200 times 70. So the basic math fact is 7 times 2, which is 14. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So I wound up with 14,000. Then I'm going to say 200 times 2. Basic math fact is 2 times 2, which is 4. 1, 2 zeros in the problem, 2 zeros in the answer. 40 times 70. So 4 times 7 is 28. There's a 0 here and a 0 here, so I'm going to put 2 zeros, 2,800. 40 times 2 goes right here, 80. 70 times 1, 70. And 1 times 2 is 2. So what I like to do when I start looking at my partial products and looking to add them to get my full product of the answer is I try to see what can I add. So this number has 3 zeros. I don't see that anywhere else, so I'm just going to pull that out of the original problem. And so there's a partial product. Now I'm going to look around. This has 2 zeros. This has 2 zeros. So I can add those two numbers together easily in my head because I'm going to say 28 plus 4, 29, 30, 31, 32 with those 2 zeros. So there's another partial product. Then 80 plus 70, 15 with 1 zero because 70 plus 80. So that's 150. And then 2. I could have added that 2 into any of these, but that's okay. So here we have 4 partial products, and we can add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 1 more. Put my comma in, and so my product, 241 times 72 is 17,352, and I have all of my partial products listed.